My fault, y'all. I didn't even see y'all right there, but my name is Michael Adetunji, and I'm a rising senior at the illustrious North Carolina A&T Aggie Pride. My fault. I kind of got carried away in that last segment, but I'm a part of a powerful community called We Uplift the World, and my employer and mentor, Bijan Macon, has been with me throughout the whole way. And when I tell you, I done learned so much through this internship, man. Boy, I done learned so much through this internship, man. I done learned how to make AI videos. I done learned how to edit videos. I done learned how to recreate videos. It's just a lot that I done learned that I done been taught by Bijan. One of the most interesting projects I done worked on during this internship has been creating impactful content creation designed to inspire creatives. Essentially helping them and showing them how to monetize their craft, elevate their brand, and simply just put themselves out there. However, I ain't gonna lie, I had a couple of challenges during this internship, and my biggest one was my time management and overcoming procrastination. Staying consistent required real discipline, and throughout this internship, I learned how to prioritize. Essentially, I learned how to stay focused and push through on days even when my motivation was low. This experience ultimately shaped how I show up as a leader and communicator. And what can I say? I done became a better leader and communicator. And moving forward, I plan on using this experience to elevate my path. You feel me? As someone who wants to be a cybersecurity engineer, having these skills, knowing how to edit videos, knowing how AI works, these are all assets that are critical in the field of technology. And to on-ramps and to the donors, thank you. Y'all made this journey possible for all of us. We truly appreciate it.
Hey, I'm Gabby, and I'm an intern at We Uplift the World. This internship has given me real hands-on experience, especially in video creation and editing, which I had an interest for a while. I learned how to tell stories that matter, and I got to be part of a mission that actually uplifts people and communities. It helped me grow, not just as a creator, but as a person who wants to make a difference. One of the things I learned about is something called an Ikigai. It's basically a tool to help you figure out what your purpose is, connecting what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. We even had a chance of making one. It honestly helped me understand myself better, like what really motivated me, and how I can turn my passions into something meaningful. We also have learned about what is my why. It's the reason behind what I do, what drives me, and what keeps me going even when things are getting tough. I learned so much skills that can influence me for the future of my life. It puts me on a path that I can use daily for myself and others. I'm proud of the work we've done and grateful for everything I learned along the way. Thank you, OnRams and the donors, for this chance.
Hello, my name is Ben Patma, and I'm an intern at We Uplift the World under Bijan Macon. For me, the most valuable part of this internship was learning the expectations of a real-world job. This applied to all our work, including a project where I created content on dropshipping with Shopify to help artists achieve sustainable success. This experience showed me that how you do one thing is how you do everything. This internship has been foundational, giving me practical skills I'll carry into my future.
Hi, my name is Leland Johnson, and I'm currently interning at We Uplift the World. During my time here, I've gained valuable skills in content creation, communication, and digital storytelling. Under the guidance of our supervisor, Bijan Macon, I've had the opportunity to create inspiring content, from CapCut tutorials to motivational quotes designed to help people discover their purpose in life, just as I've discovered mine. Through this experience, I realized that my purpose in life is to share meaningful and educational content that uplifts and empowers others. While I'm pursuing my long-term goal of becoming a biomedical engineer, I also hope to teach others the skills that I've learned along the way to make a positive impact on other people's lives.
Hey, my name is Makai, and my experience at We Uplift the World has been amazing. I've learned a lot about working as a team, being my first internship, working in a job, being paid, and also just learning more about myself. That's one of the biggest takeaways I got from it. Is learning about who I actually want to be, How do I want to uplift people? How do I want to, add abundance to the world, add abundance to other people's lives? One of the most impactful things I've learned on here during my few weeks is the concept of Ikigai and essentially your reason for being, your reason for existing, your reason for building your relationships, building up yourself, and who you want to be, your identity, and how that is going to contribute to the world and to other people's lives.
Hey, my name is Elijah Lewis, and I've been interning at We Uplift the World under Bijan Machen. This experience has taught me more than just how to edit videos or post content. It's shown me the power of purpose. I've worked on projects like my Ikigai review and my donor appeal videos, both of which I fully edited and posted on YouTube. These projects helped me grow not only as a content creator, but as a communicator with real intentions. One big lesson I learned is to always give your all. Don't post the minimum, post the maximum. Go above and beyond.
Hello, my name is Gavin Butler. I'm an intern at We Uplift the World. And in my experience with the We Uplift the World organization has been great because it taught me how to do video creation while editing videos with the CapCut app. Prior to this organization, I've never really learned how to do editing until the CapCut app. So doing that was really great for my progression within the We Uplift the World internship. My supervisor, Bijan Machen, has also been super helpful this year with my progression with the CapCut app. It's super easy to email him, call him, any form of connecting to get help is really easy with him. So having him in your corner is really great in order to succeed in anything that you're trying to do with content creation.
Hello, my name is Logan Booth, and I'm a part of We Uplift the World. The purpose of our team is to create content to empower artists and graphic creators. Throughout my time working here, I've worked on many projects. I've made a review on my own Ikigai and a donor video, all of them fully edited and posted on YouTube. I'll show them on screen. My key takeaways so far for We Uplift the World is to always go above and beyond. Having leadership skills, staying organized, time management, and be a go-getter. And always have an abundance mentality, which means always thinking positive. Don't ever doubt yourself.
At We Uplift the World, we remain committed to inspiring individuals through content creation, while empowering them to rise, lead, and uplift others. We believe that with focus, determination, and purpose, anyone can achieve what they set their mind to.
We are dedicated to teaching artists how to generate income, elevate their brand, and uphold themselves to a standard of excellence in all they do. At We Uplift the World, we are committed to inspiring individuals through content creation while empowering them to rise, lead, and uplift others. We believe that with focus, determination, and purpose, anyone can achieve what they set their mind to.
How you do one thing is how you do everything. Meaning if you could do one thing great in your life, the rest will come easy. Everything you do in life should be in purpose, on purpose, because when you have a purpose, you have a will to never quit.
Going above and beyond opens doors, builds confidence, and leads to real progress. This internship has helped me improve my consistency, time management, and creative direction. But more than that, it inspired me to create content that uplifts others. And that's something I'll carry with me moving forward. Thank you.
My key takeaway from this whole entire internship is learning new world job experiences, learning proper communication skills, the idea that perception is reality. We learn that it's important to manage how people are showing up in the workplace, and evergreen revenue streams.
As we grow together as creators, we also prioritize learning monetization strategies. These include affiliate marketing, drop shipping, ad revenue, and effective self-promotion to help turn creative passion into sustainable success.
Thank you to the On-Ramps team for giving me this opportunity to work with the We Uplift the World internship. Without them, none of this would be possible. So once again, thank you to the On-Ramps team for all the help.
Moving forward, we're committed to a standard of excellence, building powerful networks rooted in impact, communication, strong relationships, and shared purpose to uplift the world. Thank you to On-Ramps to Careers for creating these opportunities and for fueling the dreams that drive us forward. Thank you to our incredible supporters. Your belief and generosity make these experiences possible.
Lastly, I'd like to thank On-Ramps for giving me this wonderful opportunity to intern with We Uplift the World.
I'm incredibly thankful for this opportunity and want to thank On-Ramps to Careers and the donors for making this all possible.